Hi friends, it's Barry, and today I want to solve this maths problem. Allison has a set of 10 fridge magnets showing the integers from 0 to 9 inclusive. In how many different ways can she split the set into 5 pairs so that the sum of each pair is a multiple of 5? So Allison has these magnets, and they have number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we want to group these 10 numbers into 5 groups of 2 so that each group is a multiple of 5. So let's start with 0. What can 0 be paired with so that it can become so that the pair can become a multiple of 5? Well, if we try 1, that wouldn't work because 0 plus 1 is 1. And if we extend this reasoning, quickly we see that the only possible pair must be 0 and 5. So that is our first pair. So we have considered 0 and 5 now. And now let's look at the number 1, okay? So in these remaining numbers, 1 can either pair with 4 or 9, because 1 plus 4 is not 5, and 1 plus 9 is 10. So, so then we have either 1, 4 or 1, 9. Okay, so that's one possibility here and two possibilities here. So we want to look at the number 6 now, okay? So number 6 can either pair with 4 or 9 because 6 plus 4 is 10 and 6 plus 9 is 15. So these are also multiples of 5, except if one has already paired with 4, then 6 in our case must only pair with 9, and vice versa here. So if 1 has paired with a 9, then 6 must pair with a 4. So either the combination looks like this or it looks like that, okay? So now let's think about the rest of the numbers. So for the number 2, you can either go with 3 or with 8, because 2 plus 3 is 5 and 2 plus 8 is 10, which are all multiples of 5. So, and then we look at the number 3. Number 3 can only pair with 7, 3, 7. That's assuming it hasn't been paired with the 2 yet. So these are 2 possibilities, then 1 possibility. And finally, if 2 and 3 are paired, then we also have the pair 7 and 8. So it's a bit messy here. What I'm trying to say is either we have 2, 3, and then 7 and 8, or 2, 8, and 3, 7. So here, these are in total 2 different possibilities. So from these group of numbers, we know there are 1 times 2 possibilities. And from here, we have 2 possibilities. So we can multiply these 2 groups to find the all the different ways that she can split the set into 5 pairs. So that is just 2 multiplied by 2, which is just 4. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.